week's grand occasion, and a fitting finale that it should once more involve the two sides who have been consistently top class for most of the season. Old Trafford reverberates.
Keep rise. On 10, go.
It's Gidley. Again well marshalled, and again the tackles are being counted off here by Ashley Klein as St Helens struggle to make any real yardage, but a good inside ball and suddenly are through. Gilmore has support now, and it's Wellens who's up there with him too. Back to Gilmore, the old 1-2, and off it goes De Gea. Who would have thought it? The prop forward with the first try of the grand final.
It's 10 for Wellens. Go.
It's Burrow.
Play on.
Flat pass to James Buchanan, his offload is excellent, and Smith is over. Lead strike. And the referee points the finger. They say nothing wrong with that. Never mind, nothing wrong with that. That was super stuff.
Super play.
Both feet.
Titi, the big man, is up there. Collects. Back to Burrow. Burrow. Along it goes to Sinfield. Sinfield puts it out towards Senior, who knew that Nelly was after him, so he pats it on to Hall. Hall with a little soccer skills. Did he get the touchdown? There are plenty of questions here, and the referee is throwing it up to the video ref to provide the answers.
He's got downward pressure, that's a try for me, Dave.
Ben Taylor is the man who answers those, and he agrees with the Leeds winger. Long puts the kick high to the corner. It's knocked back, and he's taken, and it is finished by Gidley. Referee confirms as such, and just what they wanted. St Helens with a score in the opening moments of this second half. It's Burrow. Burrow back to Sinfield. Sinfield out to Senior. Senior steps in on the grain of the defence. Caught by Wilkin. Out to Burrow. Burrow steps 1-2. Darts between two of them. Just about hauled down. Fossard grabbed his collar. By his fingertips he pulled him down. Sinfield again with a little kick through the ball. Over he goes. Onside. Yes he was. The referee gives it. Perfect play by Leeds. Lots to think about again for those St Helens players behind the sticks. It's the old 1-2. Sinfield, Maguire, and Leeds back in front.
Wait back. Both feet.
Cunningham again now. Throws it out. Here's Roby. Roby along the line. It's a walk into the corner. Gardner scores. Eventually, Leeds' resolve runs out. St Helens couldn't find a way through them, but they have found a way around them. They reach the sixth. Sinfield puts it high. Nelly concentrates, up he goes, can't collect. It'll be another 6 tackles here. Maguire will not need it. He steps away and scores. Lightning. And it has struck for the second time. Leeds delighted because they know now that could be a very crucial blow. Just time for one more scrum, and then pull out the corks, certainly if you're a Leeds fan. Oh, it's dropped by Gidley. That will be it. They will not reform now. The big screen is counting down. The hooter hasn't sounded, but they know it's theirs. For the first time in their 113-year history, Leeds have won back-to-back rugby league titles. Only the 6th time they have been the champions. They did it last year under Tony Smith. A new man came in, Brian McLennan, and has shown them the way to do it again. Leeds are the winners in 2008. St Helens, for the second year running, are humbled. Jamie Peacock has had so many highs in his career. There'll be few to match this, I'm sure, here tonight. The expected beams of a winning team. Well, Burrow will be involved in England's World Cup campaign, no doubt. Danny Maguire almost certainly will as well. Jamie Jones Buchanan bandaged but unbowed. the man who put the tactics in place. Just like 2007, 2008 will be the year of the Rhino. Kevin Sinfield lifts it high. A little bit of history made. First time that Leeds have won the title in consecutive years. Huge celebrations amongst those supporters tonight. As the corks are taken out, it is Leeds who are the grand final winners.
Super League